Caleb Dille in Brillhart's Body Shop. It's been a lot of learning. I thought I had a good idea of everything to do with it, but I didn't know. I just knew the basics. First day was prepping parts, and the second day I learned how to spray primer. The third day I sanded my parts that I had prepped, and today I'm buffing, which is what I needed the most help with. I definitely look forward to doing it. I'd recommend it to anybody too. It's a good learning experience. I'd tell them to do it. They think they know everything, but there's always more you can learn.
What would you like to say to your boss and to the rest, everybody back there, about sending you here and spending money, because obviously they want to grow you?
I appreciate you sending me up here, and I definitely recommend sending anybody you can up here. It's a good school.